Welcome to Competitive Exams Corner. APPSC Group 2 Mains సోషల్ అండ్ కల్చరల్ హిస్టరీ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్కి సంబంధించిన ముఖ్యమైన బిట్స్ని ఈరోజు మరికొన్ని ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. ద ఇన్స్క్రిప్షన్ అట్ విచ్ ప్లేస్ రికార్డ్స్ మల్టిపుల్ గిఫ్ట్స్ టు డిఫరెంట్ సెక్షన్స్ అండ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ బై ద రూలర్ ఈజ్ అల్లూరు. నెక్స్ట్, విచ్ ఇన్స్క్రిప్షన్ మెన్షన్స్ ఉషవదత్త ఇన్వెస్టింగ్ 2000 Karshapanas in a Weavers Guild at Govardhana. Answer, Nasik inscription. Next, which of the following texts contained writing by the woman? Answer, Gatha Saptasati. Next, the text Yoga Sara was written by Nagarjuna. Next, which Eastern Chalukyan ruler issued Viparla inscription? Answer, Jayasimha Vallabha. Next, who among the following rulers used the title Tripura Marthya Maheshwara? Answer, Gunaga Vijayaditya. Next, during the Eastern Chalukyan time, Potla Cheruvu was a popular center for Jainism. Next, identify the person who received Nandampudi village as a grant from Rajaraja Narendra. Answer, Narayana Bhatt. Next, which inscription mentioned about Kakatiyas for the first time? Answer, Maghallu inscription. Next question. Kakatiyas were subordinates of which dynasty in Andhra? Answer, Rashtrakutas. Next, which of the following defeated Ganapati Deva in 1263? Answer, Pandyans. Who among the following used the title Rayaghaja Kesari? Answer, Ganapati Deva. Next, the word Kambaya Dhyanam is noticed in the Buddhist site of which district? Answer, Vishakhapatnam. Next, the early history of Shatavahana family is not stated in the following work. Answer, Gada Saptasati. Next, who of the following wrote the text Jinendra Kalyana Bhyudayam? Answer, Appayacharya. Next, the Andhra Sebda Chintamani is stated to have written by Nannaya. Next, the Rekapalli was the capital of which dynasty? Answer, Musunuri. Next, which Reddy ruler assumed the title Rachur Durga Vibhala? Answer, Prolaya Vema Reddy. Next question. Who wrote the text Narasimha Puranam? Answer, Errana. A Forgotten Empire was written by one of the following? Answer, Robert Sewell. Next, during Vijayanagara rule, Vipra Vinodins were a sect of Brahmins. Next, who among the following observed the prevalence of sati practice in Vijayanagar? Answer, Niccolo Conti. Next, who wrote the text Varadambika Parinayam? Answer, Tirumalamba. Next question. A famous huge stone bull of the Vijayanagar period is located at Lepakshi. Next, in which place the Dutch East India Company established its first factory in Andhra Desha? Answer, Machilipatnam. Next, name the sub-collector of Rajamandri who opened Anglo vernacular schools at several places in Andhra? Answer, G.N. Taylor. Next, in which year American Baptist Mission was established in Andhra? Answer, 1868. Next, who among the following founded the Madras Native Association? Answer, Gajula Lakshmi Narsarao Chetty. Next question. Which of the following journals was started by Veerasalingam? Answer, Satya Samvardhini. Next, in which year the first widow remarriage was performed by Veerasalingam? Answer, 1881. Next, in which place people revolted against English against their forest policies in 1879? Answer Rekhapalli. Next, which organization took active part in organizing Bipin Chandra Pal's tour of Rajamandri? Answer Bhala Bharati Samiti. Next, who among the following was the principal of Rajamandri Training College in 1907? Answer Mark Hunter. Next, identify the person who was president of the National College founded at Machilipatnam in 1910. Answer Konda Venkatapaya. Next question. Which newspaper strongly supported the Home Rule movement in Andhra? Answer Beshamata. Next question. Who among the following uh, visited the Palnadu area in July 1921 to study the situation arising out of agitation against the forest loss? Answer Unnava Lakshmi Narayana. Next question. In the elections held to the Madras Legislative Assembly in 1920, how many seats were won by the Justice Party? Answer 63. Next question. Identify the person who was appointed as a dictator for Andhra region to conduct salt satyagraha. Answer Konda Venkatapaya. Next, who among the following wrote the novel Asamarthuni Jivita Yatra? Answer T. Gopichand. Next, in which year the Socialist Party established its Andhra branch? Answer 1934. Who among the following from Guntur wrote series of articles in Hindu paper on the present position of the Telugu people? Answer Gurunadam. Next, which Telugu newspaper commented, unless there is a separate government, there is no protection for Telugu people's culture? Answer Deshabhimani. Next question. The president of the first Andhra Mahasabha held at Bapatla in 1913 opposed the idea of separate Andhra state. What is his name? Answer B.N. Sharma. Next question. In which year B.N. Sharma introduced a resolution actually in the Central Legislative Assembly on linguistic reorganization of the states? Answer 1918. Next, who among the following opposed separate state for Andhras once he became chief minister of Madras state in 1932? Answer Bobbili Raja. Next question. In which place in 1935 the second Rayalaseema Mahasabha passed a resolution opposing separate Andhra state? Answer Kadapa. Next, the agreement between Andhra and Rayalaseema leaders was made in 1937 at the residence of Kasinathuni Nageshwar Rao, known as the Sri Bagh Pact, where Sri Bagh is Madras. Answer in 1948, which commission in its report opined that creation of linguistic states is a threat to unity and integrity of the country? Answer Dhar Commission. Next, the 60th question. Who among the following worked with Gandhi for some time in the Sabarmati Ashram? Answer Potti Sriramulu. Next question. In the second Vishalandra Mahasabha held at Hyderabad in 1954, who out of the following strongly supported Vishalandra? Answer Swami Ramananda Tirtha. Next, on which date in 1953 the States Reorganization Commission was set up by Government of India? Answer 20th December. Next, in which year B. Ramakrishna Rao, the Chief Minister of Hyderabad State, a strong advocate of Telangana State, changed his stand and suggested immediate merger of Telangana with Andhra? Answer 1955. Thank you. Jai Hind.